Hey everyone, it's Shanae and I'm back with a video on how to make these DIY fat heads you can use for all sorts of celebrations, birthday parties, graduations, football games, you name it. So I'm going to show you step by step on how I make these fat heads, and you can celebrate your children, yourself, or whoever. Alrighty, so first you want to get your prints from CVS. You can pick up any size prints, but in order to fit them on the styrofoam board, you want to make sure you have a 18 by 24 inch print. These are both 18 by 24 inch prints. This one is already previously cut from last season, but we are doing one for my oldest son because his team is now in the championship this season. So I'm going to celebrate him and make a fathead for the championship game this weekend. So again, the materials that you need are the CVS print in 18 by 24. You're also going to need a styrofoam board. You can get this from the Dollar Tree. I had a few at the house that I wasn't using, so I decided to use them for my foam cutouts of the kids. So again, you're going to need a styrofoam board. You're going to need some type of adhesive, so tape, glue. I tried to do hot glue gun, and as you can see, it's just coming right on up. So this is not the best method to use for long term. Again, this is old. This is last season. So I'm going to try some school glue and probably tape the back for like extra support. You're going to need some scissors to cut out the print, because you're going to start off by cutting the print out. And then you're going to need an X-Acto knife to cut the foam. So you're going to glue your print on the foam, and then you're going to take your X-Acto knife and cut the print out. Just like that. All of these materials can be purchased from the Dollar Tree. Besides the prints, the photos of the prints, you want to get your styrofoam board, your X-Acto knife, your scissors, and your adhesives to help the picture stick to the board. And again, all this can be purchased at the Dollar Tree. So again, this one's pretty much done. I'm just going to try to take this picture off and put it on a new board and recut it on the board, because it was raining on this day and it got messed up. But it's salvageable. This one, we're starting from scratch, so I thought I'd make a video on how to do that. And let's get started. Alrighty, so for this part of the video, we are going to be cutting out our print. And there you have it. We have the print cut out. And now we're going to glue it onto the board. So I have some school glue. I'm going to just open it up, turn it on the back. You want to go ahead and flip it and line it up. Now we're just going to let it dry. We're going to let it dry. Now as far as this one, I'm just going to go ahead and just rip it up. Take the photo off. Okay. We're just going to rip it off. And I'm just going to glue this on here. And throw this in the trash. And again, for this one, we're just going to be putting glue everywhere. And we're going to flip it again. And this one kind of has like a little rip in it, so I'm just going to tape it. We're going to let these two dry, and then we're going to start cutting them out of the styrofoam. Now I'm going to go ahead and start outlining my print. So yeah, that's the end product of it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out his brother, and we have foam boards. And there you have it. We have two big head cutouts of my sons for their championship game this weekend. And we about to turn up. They look so good. They turned out really well. I can't wait for the boys to see these. They're gonna be so hyped. Hopefully we get some tackles, some sacks, some pancakes, all of the above. These are really good. So I'm just hoping for a successful game this weekend. This will be Junior's first championship that he wins. We're projected to win, okay? We're 7-1. So good luck, Joy Man. Give me all the pancakes you got. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, if it was truly helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Please share this video so that a bunch of other people could possibly see this video and make these fat heads and cutouts for their selves or their children. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know, what are you making your fat head for? Is it for football season? Is it for graduation? Is it for a birthday party? I love to find out. Just leave me a note in the comments. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.